Hello, students. Welcome to Mathiverse with Teacher channel. Right now, I'm going to explain some problems by using bar model method. So, let's see. Number one, Joe and Jason have $80 altogether. The amount of money Joe has is 3 times the amount of money Jason has. How much does Joe have? So, so when you solve the mathematics, you have to pick the keywords. So in this question, Joe and Jason, they both have $80 altogether. Okay, and then the amount of Joe has is 3 times, which means Joe is 3 times more than the amount of Jason has. So you can easily remember Joe is 3 times more than Jason. Okay, we need to find Joe. That's easy. So let's see. Joe is 3 times more, right? So I would like to make 3 units because Joe is 3 times more, right? So 1, 2, and 3. See? So this is who? Joe. Let me label like this. And then Joe is 3 times more than Jason, right? So Jason is only 1 unit. In that way, you can visualize the reality one. So let's see, this is Jason. Let me name it. Okay, they both all together, how much? $80. So they both is $80. In that way, so right now you realize that Joe and Jason all together $80. And also $80 is equal to how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. So you can say that 4 units equal to $80. Okay, so when you find the units, you always need to find 1 unit. So 4 unit is $80. So for 1 unit is 80 divided by 4. It is what? $20. So 1 unit is $20, which means that this is 20, this is 20, this is 20, this is also 20. Okay, what is the main question? How much does Joe have? We need to find Joe, right? So Joe is how many units here? 3 units. So that's why you need to find 3 units. So 1 unit is 20. For 3 units, you have to multiply equal to, it is $60. That's why the answer is how much? $60. Yes. Okay, do you understand? So very easy. If you use the bar model can help you to visualize the reality concept, and also you can know how to solve the problems plus, minus, multiply, or divide. You can decide it. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, let's see number 2. A farmer has 120 horses and stallions altogether. The number of horses is 20 more than the number of stallions. How many stallions does the farmer have? So let's see. A farmer has how many horses and stallions altogether? 120. So some of the students they realize wrongly. Okay, they realize that 120 horses only. So that's why you have to be careful. Read the question carefully. 120 is not for only horses, it's for horses and stallions. Okay? And the number of horses is 20 more than the number of stallions, which means that horses is 20 more than stallions. Okay? Horses is more, stallions is less. Okay, so let me draw the model. Horses is more, stallions is less. That's why horses bar is longer, stallion bar is shorter. So let me name like just H for horses and then just S for stallion. Okay, so horses is how many more? 20 more. So here, this is 20. Okay, so Pauses and stellium altogether, they both 120. So how to solve this problem? What is the main question? How many stelliums? We need to find only stelliums. Okay, so to find the stellium in this question, everyone, you need to minus first. Why? Let's see. I would like to minus 120 and 20, so 100. What is that 100? Okay, look at that. If I minus 20, this 20 part is gone. At the time C, these two units are same, right? That's why I minus it. So if I minus this part, this and this, these two units are same for everyone. So that's why 100, that 100 is these two equal units. So we can say that 2 units is 100. Every time you need to find 1 unit, so 1 unit is 100 divided by 2. So what is the answer? 50. So right now we know that this is 50, this is also 50. What do we need to find? We need to find stelliums. So here, stellium is 50. Very good. So finally we got the answer, 50 stelliums. Do you understand? That's easy peasy. So if you don't use the bar model, you have to think and visualize in your mind. That might be wrong. So you have to use the bar model. Bar model can help you very clear. And then bar model can help you realize how to solve the problem. Okay, so let's see another one. Another example. So let's see number 3. Okay, in number 3, there are 45 apples in carton A and 55 apples in carton B. How many apples must be transferred from carton B to carton A so that the number of apples in carton A is 3 times the number of apples in carton B? Okay, let's see. How many apples? 45 apples in where? A. And how many apples? 55 apples in where? B. So A, 45, B, 55. So we need to find how many apples must be transferred. We have to transfer from where to where? From B to A. So that means we want to be that one. So the number of apples in carton A is 3 times the number of apples in carton B. Finally, after transferring, A must be 3 times more than B. So let's start from that. A must be 3 times more than B, right? So let's see. Okay, let me do this 3 times equally. This is what? A. And then, if so, B is how many times? Only 1 time. Very good. So let's see. This is B only 1 time. Okay? So, hey, right now, for example, let me give you another example. So we have like two people, like C and D, let's say. A person C, another person D. C has 15, like 15 marbles, let's say. And then D has 20 marbles. So altogether, they both altogether 35. Okay, so C gave 10 marbles to D. At the time, what is the new one? C just have only 5 left, and then D has right now 30. So what is all together? It's still 35, even though they are transferring each other. Right, everyone? Even though they are transferring each other, the total still same. So you have to use that concept in this question. So let's see. Okay, so even though they are transferring from A to B, from B to A, whatever it is, so the total must be same. So what is the total? A 45, B 55, right, everyone? So that's why you have to plus. So 45 plus what? 55. What is the answer? 100. That 100 is here. Clear? Okay, right now, as you can see, 100 is the same as how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units. So we can say 4 units, 100. Every time we need to find 1 unit, it is 100 divided by 4. It is what? 25. Okay, so 1 unit is 25, right? Here, 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay, so let's think about it. Before transferring and after transferring. So before and after. Okay, before transferring, A is 45 and then B is 55, right? After transferring, A is how many? 25, 25, 25, right? 25 times 3, it is 75. You can see in the bar model. And then B is just what? 25, right? Okay, so what is the main question? The main question is, how many apples must be transferred from B to A? Okay, let's do this. B at first, how many? 55. Right now, B has how many? 25. If you minus it, you will get how many transfer. So what is the answer? D. Right? So that's why the answer is that D. Do you understand? So see, with our bar model, you can easily visualize how to solve the problem by using the bar models like this. You can solve everything easily. So today, I show you 3 problem sums by using bar model. In the next video, I will show you how to solve the problem sums in an easy way. Thank you for today. Bye-bye.